Alright, in this video we have x raised to the power of 3 minus y raised to the power of 3 all over x minus y is equals to 19. And we have x raised to the power of 3 plus y raised to the power of 3 all over x plus y is equals to 7. We have to solve for x and y. Now, you can go ahead to pause this video to give the question a try. I'm going to be taking your answers on the comment section, and also don't forget to watch the video to the end to confirm if you got the answers. Now, first of all, we have our x cubed minus y cubed over x minus y is equals to 19. So the next thing we are going to do is try writing x cubed minus y cubed. So we can write our x cubed minus y cubed as x squared plus y squared minus plus xy multiplied by x minus y. When we bring that back into our new equation, we have it our x squared plus y squared plus xy multiplied by our x minus y all over x minus y is equals to 19. So this x minus y is going to cancel this x minus 5, and we left with our x squared plus y squared plus xy is equals to 19. So we're going to call this equation 1. In the other part of the equation, we have that our x cubed plus y cubed all over x plus y is equals to 7. So on the same note, we're going to try writing this x cubed plus y cubed. Now just the same as the other one, but this time around we have a plus here. So writing it, we're going to have x squared plus y squared minus xy then multiplied by x plus 5. Now when you substitute that into our main equation, we have it our x squared plus y squared minus xy then multiplied by x plus y or divided by x plus y is equals to 7. So this is going to cancel this on the left with x squared plus y squared minus xy is equals to 7. So we're going to call this equation 2. Now overall we have gotten two equations, equation 1 and equation 2. Now equation 1 is x squared plus y squared plus xy is equals to 19. And for equation 2 we have x squared plus y squared minus xy is equals to 7. So the next step we're going to take, we're going to subtract equation 1 from equation 2. When we subtract x squared minus x squared is going to go the same with y squared minus y squared. When we subtract plus xy minus xy, this is going to give us 2xy because the minus are going to cancel each other. Then is equals to 19 minus 7 will give us 12. So we have that our 2xy is equals to 12. We're going to solve for xy. So that xy is equals to 12 is equal to 2. So finally we have that xy is equals to 6. Now we're not going to stop here with this equation. We are going to try isolating x. So you can see x is equals to 6 all over y. Now the next step we're going to take, we're going to invoke our equation 1 that says x squared plus y squared plus xy is equals to 19. Now we're going to substitute this value of x into this equation. So here we have x squared, we're going to have 6 all over y squared plus y squared plus we have our x 6 all over y multiplied by y is equals to 19. So after substituting, we'll be left with this. Now this y can cancel this y. On the left with then the square of 6 will give us 36 over y square plus y square plus 6 is equals to 19. Now, what is the next step we're going to take? The next step we're going to take is trying to get rid of this y square, which is denominator. So what do? We multiply through by y square. We multiply y square with 36 over y square. We're going to cancel this y square. So we have 36 plus y square multiplied by y square will give us y raised to the power of 4. Then plus 6 multiplied by y square will give us 6y square is equals to, then 19 multiplied by y square will give us 19y square. Moving on to this equation, we are going to try getting rid of this 6y square by adding negative y square to both sides of the equation. So we get to give us 36 plus y raised to the power of 4 is equals to 13y square. Now, the way we can solve for y now is to factorize. So how do we factorize? We are going to try equating our equation to 0. So how do we do this? We are going to take this 13y squared to the other side of the equation by adding negative 13y squared to both sides of the equation. So this is going to give us that our y raised to the power of 4 minus 13y squared plus 36 is equals to 0. So finally, when we factorize, we have that our y squared minus 4 multiplied by y squared minus 9 is equals to 0. So here that our y squared minus 4 is equals to 0. So we have that our y squared is equals to 4. So to solve for y, we are going to square root both sides. Give us that our y is equals to the square root of 4. So we have that our y is equals to plus or minus 2. Now, on the other part, here we have that our y squared minus 9 is equals to 0. So we have that our y squared is equals to 9. And we have that our y is equals to the square root of 9. So finally, we have that our y here is equals to plus or minus 3. Now, equation says we should solve for x and y. So we are going to solve for x. Now, we already have that our x is equals to 6 all over y. So here that y is equals to 2. We are going to substitute our y. So here we have that our x is equals to 6 all over 2. Here that our x is equals to 3. Now, in the other part, here y is equals to 3. We have our x equals to 6 all over y. So when we substitute, we have 6 all over 3. So here that our y is equals to 2. So finally, our final answer, we have the value of our x and y is equals to, and we have our x as 2, our y is 3, and we have x as 3, our y is equals to 2. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. Hope you like and subscribe to our channel. And also don't forget to hit the notification button so when I post a video like this, you get a notification. See you in the next video. Bye.